Who among us would ever believe that we are completely in favor of e-commerce and its widespread practices? Nonetheless, it would be folly to think in such a way because the digital world is a surprising gift to offer the world every morning. Welcome back to our channel, E-commerce Know-How, and today we're going to discuss the e-commerce facts you need to know in 2022. Number 8. Social media marketing and business. Nowadays, it's nearly difficult to avoid social media platforms. With long-running discussions about whether social media is a blessing or a curse, recent trends of shopping using social accounts have laid the record straight. Whether it's using your social handles as a search engine or creating online passages to promote your brands, social media allows you to window shop and buy with a single click. This platform is more appealing than any other listed shopping apps due to its security, ease of delivery, integrity, and one-on-one engagement with your audience. Number 7. Preview before purchase. The sole need to buy in person was to ensure quality, sustainability, and tangibility. However, digital professionals were unable to avoid this addressing issue and devised ways that supported augmented and virtual reality. AR and VR technology has shown to be the most efficient. Customers may now inspect the products and even take a virtual tour of them on their phone displays. Furthermore, all fashionistas can now enjoy the convenience of virtual changing rooms, where they can spend hours trying on the items that they choose. Number 6. Customize your product. With so much investigation on the internet platform, each individual today has formed his or her own taste and preference. It's become imperative to provide the customer with the product that he envisions in his head. Whether it's a cake or a car, product personalization directly correlates to improved earnings for your firm. Online platform has mastered this function to the greatest extent possible, and they provide an amazing selection of options for clients to visualize, pick, and order from. Number 5. Connect business with Google Search. According to recent data, Google Shopping is the most effective at converting shoppers into consumers of your product. The value of SEO is significantly increased, and businesses have been wanting to become Google Merchant registered in order to increase their sales. The product listing ad at Google Shopping is quite simple and inexpensive, which encourages more and more shops to trade online and reach out to potential buyers. Number 4. Environment-friendly business. With the increasing concept of organic and healthy living, people are always looking for businesses that value the well-being of nature. Despite the higher costs of biodegradable or recycled products, there's a segment of society that finds them more empowering and appealing. Many businesses today on digital platforms are carrying out their operations in the most natural and organic methods possible. They have listed themselves in these natural living areas for the sake of sustainability. Number 3. Easy and instant interactions. Online business platforms take it a step further by allowing more human engagement with their big customer base. Customers can ping them in direct messaging chat windows, and brand representatives will respond within seconds. Furthermore, personal messaging is used for price and product inquiries, as well as tracking deliveries, which is as useful as it sounds. Number 2. Additional customer benefits. The value of subscriptions over time will actually rise in the coming year. Businessmen will look at providing more of these with appealing features in order to retain the clients in the future. According to Google statistics, 85% of customers would prefer to make purchases from companies who provided targeted coupons, deals, and discounts. Buyers, on the other hand, will look up to them for added benefits as well as a sense of compassion and familiarity from the brand's end. Number 1. Strategize your business. Globally, e-commerce is blooming. This means that keeping up with your competition entails more than just collecting and enticing new customers. To thrive in this competitive fury, it's critical to emphasize a stronger SWOT analysis, resulting in digitally excelling strategies. According to Google, 42% of customers who visit your physical store research on the products used by search engines, retailers' websites, competitor store websites, and so on. As a result, well-thought-out strategy aids in attracting customers. It's almost unavoidable to spend on the digital market of your company and its products in order to build a brand, sell your product, and gain a positive clientele. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these must-haves do you incorporate in your business? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.